Rachel Boutique. Hope all are doing good. So as said, 7 o'clock live for display of the products. I am here now. We'll wait for 5-10 minutes. Hello Andy, Akhila Reddy. Hi. So we'll wait for some more time so that people can join us. Hello Sebastian Arlappan. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes. Let me know if the sound and clarity is there, so that if there is anything I can correct it before we start the show. Thank you, Arul Suresh. So let me know from which location you all are watching this show. Hope everybody are safe during this COVID time, staying home. Glad to know, Anusha. Hello Bhargavi Garu. Thanks for joining. Is the view clear? So let me tell you, the order process will be through WhatsApp and also through our payment link. Hello Vishnu Priya. Hi, you're looking beautiful. I am from Singapore. Thank you Vishnu Priya. Hi Shobha. So yeah, the order process will be like we'll be displaying here. You will have to take a screenshot, send us on our WhatsApp number, that is 770-853-0404. The number is also displayed on our screen in case if you need to. So I'm waiting for a few more people to join us. So here these products are of different varieties. We are starting with chiffon and then linens with some Sumdi saris, organza, and one variety of silk. So these are few of the varieties which I'm coming up. And let me tell you all, this is my first live show during this experience working and running Rachel Boutique since past 9 to 10 years. It was a great journey, and this is something new we are stepping forward to with all the love and support from all the various clients from various countries. So let me just start now with the first product, Bandhani chiffon sari. This is Bandhani chiffon. You will have with a border, with a zari border to give you an highlight. Complete sari is with bandhani, and this is how it looks. You all can see the zari border. It's a magenta pink. It's a double shade pink sari with the blouse piece, magenta pink. This will be the blouse piece for the sari, wherein you have a border also. Sari number 1, chiffon bandhani double shaded sari. The pallu is running. It's a very lightweight sari with a contrast, and this is priced at 1150, 1150. Please note, we are giving free shipping, and this can be shipped right away on Monday so that you can use for this Friday of yours. The next sari, sari number 2, bandhani sari, parrot green color. This is a beautiful parrot green sari with yellow print on that. This will be the blouse piece, and the whole sari with diamond prints, single color with pink color booties. You all can see the border. This is how the sari looks. It's a lightweight chiffon sari, regular use, casual wear, kitty party wear, parrot green sari. Product number 2, priced at 1150. Sari number 3, bandhani sari chiffon, priced at 1150. It's a double shaded sari. It has a running pallu. This is how the sari looks with mustard yellow print. It's a beautiful sari with a contrast pallu. Pallu is like this. It has a lovely printed border, zari border. Sari number 3, priced at 1150. Let me know if I am going a little fast, or if you all are able to see it, or is there any disturbance. The order process is, you all have to take a screenshot and send us on our WhatsApp number 770-853-0404. Please note, all these saris are coming with free shipping. Sari number 4. This is the last sari in the bandhani set, multicolor. I'll show you the full view. This is how the sari looks. Blouse piece is like this, contrast. Sari number 4, multicolor bandhani chiffon sari. This is how the sari looks. It has a contrast blue color blouse with zari border. You can pair up with any color blouse like red, mustard, blue. So we are done with the, thank you Shobha Garu. Let us know how the sari is looking, and let us know how you are able to view and which location you all are viewing this. And is there any questions with regards to bandhani saris? Let us know. The payment process will be through WhatsApp. We will share you the link. You can pay us by Google Pay, Phone Pay. Bhargavi Garu, blue one. Blue one is nice, you mean to say? Yeah, so the payment process will be via Google Pay, Phone Pay, bank transfer, blue sari kavali. Okay, sure అండి, మీరు WhatsApp చేసేయండి. So I'm moving to the next sari. Blue sari number please. Blue sari number 1. Sari number 4. Sari number 4. Blue sari bandhni chiffon sari, sari number 4. Yeah, so I'm moving to the next sari. These are lightweight linen satin saris, floral saris. I am sure all will love this floral prints. In fact, I am in love with it. Baby pink sari. Yeah, baby pink floral sari. It has a contrast blouse. Yellow color is a contrast blouse, or you can also use a running blouse. You can use a baby pink blouse. You can also use a green color, baby pink, yellow. This is the blouse which comes with the sari, and this is how it looks. This is how the far view. It's a light baby pink sari. It's a linen satin sari, and this is priced at 1250. Please note, all these prices are including GST, and these are including shipping. So you will not be paying anything, any other additional charges for the saris which are showing and the prices which we quoted. So there are no any hidden charges or anything such. So I'm moving to the next sari, and this is sari number 5. I'm moving to the next sari. Sari number 6. Pastel colors, I should say, these are. So this is something light yellow. Light yellow with Rama green florals and baby pink floral. See how this looks overall. Hi Vishnu Priya, hi. Okay. Yeah. So this is the yellow color. It's paired with pink, candy pink blouse. This is the blouse piece, and this is how the sari looks. This is how the complete sari looks. Let us know through the comments how the sari is, how are our collections, and what kind of collections you are looking forward for. So the pink is the blouse. This is how the sari comes. It's a very elegant office wear sari or a casual wear sari, and it's lightweight, very comfortable, easy wash. You don't have to take much pain on that. You don't have to iron this sari. All you need is wash and then directly wear it on. I'm moving to the next sari, sari number 7. Even this sari is the same linen satin sari, priced at 1250. This is not a black sari, this is a navy blue, dark navy blue sari. I hope you all can see this. It's a dark navy blue sari with little flower prints, and it has a beautiful contrast blouse, pink blouse. Let me try it on. This is how the sari looks overall. Very elegant. It has a light pink and yellow shaded flower prints on the sari, and the border is satin. With contrast blouse, you can also wear an yellow color contrast sari blouse. We also do the stitching services for all the saris. This is sari number 7. Sari number 7. Those are the 3 collections from linen satin saris, priced at 1250. Ready to ship with free shipping. Blue sari price. Blue sari price is 1250. Are you getting messages there? Okay. So the next sari is something very different and very new, which I have seen in this market. And trust me, the quality of the sari and the feel of the sari is so beautiful, so soft. I am in love with this actually. This is Patola silk. Patola silk sari with brocade blouse. Sari is very, very light. It's like a paper silk sari, I should say. So this is how the whole sari is. Pallu is grand. It's a print all over with elephants. It's so silky. It's a very occasional sari with brocade blouse. This sari is something which I have not seen in my recent days. This silk. The silk is really soft, really lightweight, and the prints are really beautiful. Something very different. And you will have a pallu tassels here given to give a more stylish look. So you don't have to worry about picot and all those. It's a very lightweight sari. In the same sari, we have another color. It's a navy blue sari. The same silk. It's the same silk sari, patola print, which with peach and green and pink print all over. The border is elegant. The pallu of the sari. It's a peach. You can either go with the plain peach blouse or you can go with green, yellow, anything blouse. This is the brocade blouse you get with the sari. So this is how the overall look. And this is priced at Patola soft silk sari, priced at 1390 with free shipping and product number 9. So I am moving to the next sari. In this patola print we have 2 colors, parrot green and navy blue. So these 2 are soft silk saris, very lightweight, paper silk kind of it is, and it is multi-print colored saris. So I am moving to the next one. I am moving to the organza sari. Moving to the organza. It's a lovely, it's a kind of a bottle green sari actually. Floral prints. What is a parrot green patola? What is the product number? Product number patola trust me, this parrot green patola is like so beautiful, so soft, very different in the market. Yeah, this is product number 8 and priced at 1390. Padma Garu, this is, what is the parrot green patola? Yeah, that is product number 8, priced at 1390. And please note, all these sarees are free shipping. There wouldn't be any hidden charges or any extra charges, and these are lowest price marked in the market. How about the blouse stitching and the fall picot? Padma Garu, we'll be doing that on additional charges. You can text us on WhatsApp 770853 We'll give you the further details for that. We also do blouse stitching and fall, and we ship it worldwide also. Within India, it is free of charge. Are receiving my messages from WhatsApp. Devi Garu, I am right now not able to see. Just a second. Are you able to get some WhatsApp message? We'll be replying on the WhatsApp message soon. WhatsApp number is 770853 Sure, Padma Garu, will wait for your message. I'm sure you shouldn't miss that parrot green saree actually. So I'm moving to the next saree. That is organza floral print with kanchi border. So this is organza saree. Organza floral print with kanchi border. So this is how the saree looks. Even I messaged confirm saree number 7 in WhatsApp, Preeti Reddy. Even I messaged confirm saree number 7. Saree number 7, are you there on WhatsApp? You're checking? Saree number 7. Preeti Garu, is this the saree you're talking about? Saree number 7, linen, satin? Okay. Okay, I believe there are too many messages coming. I can see so many messages coming, so I need little time. I will reply all one by one. Just send me the WhatsApp, send me in a way like, send me the screenshot of the saree which you're talking along with the saree number, so that both of the number and the picture doesn't mismatch. Saree number 4, Ravi. Okay, yes, Preeti. Done, Preeti. I'll block the saree for you. I'll text you. Please send me the image and the saree number. You'll be sent a link to pay. Can you send a link? Saree number 7. You'll be getting a link to pay. You can directly make the payment there. So this is any other satin sarees, please. Padma Garu, right now I have only 3 colors, that is yellow, pink and blue. Will be coming up surely more. Can you show saree number 8? Saree number 8. Saree number 8, patola. Saree number 8, can you show? That is saree number 7. Here. Saree number 8, okay. This is saree number 8, sorry. Send me the link, saree number 4. Yes, can you WhatsApp me, Bhargavi Garu? Will send you the payment link for that, for saree number 4. Yeah. Padma Garu, can you see the saree number 8? This is how the saree looks. We are taking multiple orders for each saree. With elephant print, and blouse comes as brocade blouse. Okay, done, Andy. Sandhya, is that organza? Which one, Sandhya? Which one are you asking about? This saree, this is a bottle green saree with baby pink border. This is an organza floral saree. So the overall saree looks like this. got pink. Thank you. Okay. So this is the overall look of the sari, organza with kanchi border. This is how the border looks. I hope everybody can see it very clearly. And it has a contrast raw silk blouse. A plain contrast raw silk blouse. So overall the sari look will be like this. Bottle green floral organza sari with plain contrast blouse. It's a contrast blouse, right? Yeah. The one in your hand. Okay. This is an organza sari. Yes. And the pallu for the sari is very unique and very beautiful. This is how the pallu looks. This baby pink with stripes, with zari stripes. Actually, it's not clear in the picture. I hope you all can see. This is how the pallu looks. It's a light baby pink, and the sari blouse also is baby pink. So it's an organza bottle green sari. So I'm moving to the next sari, and this sari number 11, and priced at 1850. This organza sari is priced at 180 with kanchi border. The next sari is sari number 12. Sari number 12, organza sari with kanchi border. This is how the border is. It's a beautiful border. And these colors are very pretty in the daylight actually. Sandhya, this is priced at 1850. While I started the show, I was quite nervous. But you guys all made it very comfortable feeling for me. So overall, this is a light baby pink. This is another baby pink sari. Baby pink, baby yellow, like pastel colors are now the moving colors. Wherein even I am in love with those. So this is how the pallu looks. It's actually yellow, light yellow. One second. Please include your name as well. Yeah, we are receiving number of messages. So please include your name and the image. Is it okay now? Huh? You all can see me? Okay. So my number is 770-853-0404. Moving to the next sari, sari number 12. Sari number 12. It's an organza floral sari. 10. 12. It's an organza floral sari, baby pink with big kanchi border. This is how the sari looks. It has a contrast light yellow blouse. This is how the blouse piece looks. The yellow shade is not clear here in this light, but it's light yellow, pastel yellow. And the sari is light pink. Light baby pink, lightweight organza sari. And the pallu is like this. This is how the pallu looks. It's a zari striped pallu with on a yellow this thing. Okay, I hope you're able to see it properly. This is how. This is sari number 12, organza, priced at 1850. There is one more sari. Yeah, this is another sari, organza, floral with kanchi border, with contrast pallu and contrast blouse piece. Even this blouse has with yellow blouse, and this is a light grey, light yellow mix floral sari. This is how the border is. It's a kanchi border, kanchi zari border, And this is sari number 11, priced at 1850. Pink one, which number? 12. Okay. So this is light grey color. Light grey. So I'm moving to the large sari of organza floral. It's a sea green. It's actually sea green. It's kind of shown in the video like sea blue or blue color. So this is how the sari looks overall. Organza floral contrast kanchi border sarees. These are priced at 1850. This has a contrast blouse, baby pink, and this is how the sari looks. This is a pretty color, and the pallu is like this, blouse is like this. This is how the overall look. It's a sea green color with floral prints of different color. You can go with any other contrast blouse also, but you are given like raw silk blouse. So these are the 4 colors we have in organza. One is bottle green, sea green, baby pink and grey. Yeah, these are the 4 colors we have. And text us on 7708530404. We are also taking stitching services, and for Pico we ship international through FedEx, and also we are charging free of cost for domestic. Could you show the sea green and the pink ones? Organza sari, Sandhya? Sea green and the pink. This is the sea green sari. It has a bigger border at the bottom and a smaller one at the pallu side and the shoulder side. And this is the sea green. This is the sea green sari with contrast pink, and the pallu is, where is the pallu? Yeah, so this is how the pallu is. I joined late, so not seen before saris. Oh, before saris we have showed like bandhani saris, and then linen satin saris and patola saris. These are the 3 different varieties, 3 to 4 different varieties we showed. And this is organza. And the other sari you asked is pink color. Pink. Pink has a yellow color. Pink has a yellow color blouse piece, Sandhya. So this is pink. Shilpa, hi Shilpa. Can you show all the colors at one glance? Okay, sure. Once again. Sandhya, this is for you. This is a pallu. And this is a sari overall. And it has a yellow color blouse piece. This is the blouse for this. I hope you like it, Sandhya. You can text us in WhatsApp for the payment links. Shipping will be done on Monday once a payment is received through different couriers. You have seen the sea green. I did WhatsApp for multiple saris, didn't get any response. Apurva, can you mention your name please? Apurva Sandhi. Can you check? Send us the image so that we'll send you different link, or we can make it on one link. Glance of all the sarees. I am showing one. Need these 2 organza. Okay. Sure, Andy Apurva Garu, I'll keep this for you. Send. Okay. Sure, I'll send you all these links. So I'm just giving a small glance once again of all the sarees which we showed. This is for Shilpa. Shilpa, can you see me? This is a bandhani saree, multicolor bandhani saree. This is how it looks, and the saree blouse is like this. This is a chiffon saree which has zari border, and the other saree is, this is saree number 4. Shilpa, that was saree number 4, and this is saree number 3. Saree number 3. Shilpa, this is saree number 3. It is red and yellow, mustard yellow. It even has a small border overall, like the zari border, and it has a pallu design like this, and it has a contrast red color blouse with prints all over. So this is how the blouse looks, Shilpa. Please, I want that blue one, Akhila. Please send us WhatsApp along with the image. This is another saree, parrot green. This is also a beautiful saree, and this is saree number 2, priced at 1150. All these bandhani sarees are priced at 1150. Please note, it's a free shipping all over India. I want the blue one. Akhila, which blue you're talking about? Yeah, this blue, right? Bandhani blue. Okay. How much is the price of the saree number 4? Saree number 4, bandhani chiffon saree is 1150. Already I have done. Give me some time, Akhila. I need some time because I am the only one who have to, send all the replies. So just give me some time. Once after the show, I will reply all the messages. And this is one more saree, saree number 1. This was the first saree which I showed in the live show. With this saree I have started the show, and this is also like with the diamond prints with double shade peach candy pink with a border like this, and it has a contrast magenta pink blouse. This is how the blouse comes. Okay, I've done. Please, I want blue saree, saree number 4. Shobha, surely indeed, I'll get it done for you. Amruta is watching. What is the shipping for USA? Sandhya Garu, we do shipping via FedEx, and it's based on the weight, and per kg we start with 1500. More as the weight increases, the price of the shipping charges also increase. Domestic shipping is free. Please note, domestic shipping is free, and there's no any additional charges on the price quoted. You will be sent a link. You can make using your international card, or you can use your domestic credit card, any cards. So shall I move to the next? Okay. Somebody asked me, Shilpa Garu, this is one more saree. This is baby yellow linen satin floral saree. Please see. This is, once again I am repeating, linen satin. It's a lovely lightweight soft saree which has a contrast blouse like this. Shipping, can you have the stitching service? Yes, Sandhya Garu will do the shipping stitching services also. Stitching charges differs based on the pattern and design. How much is the price of the yellow saree? Price of the saree number? This is saree number 6, and it is priced at 1250. Mustafa, it's priced at 1250. And this is saree number, this is saree number 5, 1250. Linen satin saree. Shilpa, this is the last saree which I I'm repeating once again, this is a lovely sari. The look of it is very elegant. And it has a contrast blouse. It has a pink blouse, but you can also wear yellow. And ruffle sleeves will really look good on this. Hope you all have checked out my page earlier. We have done a ruffle sleeves blouse with netted ruffles, 3 layers and all those. For that blouse, the sari will look really nice. So I am moving to the next sari. So those were the saris, Shilpa, which I had earlier shown, and I am moving to the next collection of the saris. I hope till now whatever saris I am showing, all are liking it. Yellow sari, yes, Sandhya Garu, I'll reply you. So I am moving to the next sari. This is Patola silk, Paithani silk, sari number 14, Paithani silk sari. This is a very soft silk with more booties. It's a peacock booty, which you can see, it's a zari, and it has a beautiful contrast border like this. It's a Rani pink sari. It's not a candy pink. It's a Rani pink sari. It has 2-side border. It's a very traditional Paithani silk, and the pallu is rich. With a contrast blouse piece. This is how the blouse is. It's a bottle green. This is how the look overall is. Rani pink Paithani sari, Paithani silk sari. It has a contrast bottle green blouse piece. This is a blouse piece. It's a very soft and lightweight sari. It has booties all over. It's all over the sari actually. See, you can see all over. Price, yeah, this is priced at 2200, 2200 Padma Garu. Paithani silk saris, we have 3 colors. One is Rani pink, and the next one I'm moving to is bottle green. This is the other color. It has Rani pink contrast, and this is priced at 2200 with free shipping. And it is actually a reddish pink. It is not Rani pink, it is reddish pink with contrast. And the pallu is like this. Pallu is quite rich. And it has booties all over. It is a traditional look. This is how it looks. This is the sari pallu. This is the sari pallu. It's a very grand look with contrast blouse. So this is priced at 2200, sari number 15. That was sari number 15, bottle green. Free shipping to US. Sorry, Padma Garu, not yet. No free shipping to US. Yeah, we do have free shipping to US, but there is a certain bill amount that we need to, it is around above $500. There is a free shipping. Yeah, I'm moving to the next sari. Sari number 16, Paithani silk red with bottle green. Okay. It's raining very heavily here. So this is bottle green, sorry, this is bright red, chili red actually. It's a traditional color, red with bottle green. So this is how the sari is. It has booties all over. You can wear a green blouse, you can wear an yellow blouse, mustard yellow, and it has a contrast green blouse. This is the blouse piece for the sari. You can get the work done, or you can either without the work also, it looks good. You can wear it as it is. So this is how the sari looks. Sari number 16, priced at 2200. So those were the saris, casual collections, and now I am moving to the Sungdi saris, Sungdi collection. Sari number 17, Ganga Jamuna. This is a Ganga Jamuna Sungdi cotton saris. This has no blouse piece. And this is orange with red border, and it's a light yellow. It's a light yellow color, Ganga Jamuna Sungdi saris. The pallu is red. The pallu is red, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful red with orange combination. This is how the sari looks. Pallu is red color. These saris, like, you don't have to go with starch or anything. Just wash and slightly iron it if possible, or else give it a nice fold. This is how the sari pallu is. Ganga Jamuna Sungdi cotton saris. And this is sari number. This is sari number 17, priced at 1850. Free shipping, domestic free shipping. Akhila Reddy. Which sari price you are asking for? This is another sari, half white, pearl white, Ganga Jamuna with Rama green border one side, and the other side is bright red. So the sari pallu is like this. It's a red pallu. Sari bottom color, bottom border color will be Rama green, and on top it will be like red, bright red. The whole sari is pearl color. You're looking smart. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you. Yeah, this is how the sari looks. Very elegant, very traditional look. And this is the pallu. These saris don't come with blouse and easy to handle. Very elegant saris and very classy saris. This is Ganga Jamuna cotton Sungdi saris. Another one in same. Those are priced at 1850, and the previous sari was sari number 18. This is sari number 19. Sari number 19, cotton Sungdi Ganga Jamuna. This is navy blue with red. Navy blue with red. Body color will be pearl white. And this is how this will look. And the zari quality is very rich. Hope you all can see the zari quality here. The quality of zari is really good. There is no big maintenance of this sari. So the top color will be navy blue and the bottom will be red. So this is sari number 19, priced at 1850. 1850. Another sari number 20, priced at 1850, Ganga Jamuna cotton sungdi, 2 colors. This is how the color looks. This is how the sari look, and it has a contrast pallu. Let me show you the pallu. Pallu is again red in this, orangish red. This is how the pallu is. Sari number 20, Sungdi cotton, Ganga Jamuna. Please note these are limited cotton saris, and if you want multiple pieces also we can, but the design will slightly differ. The zari design will slightly differ. Yeah. So the last piece in the Sungdi Ganga Jamuna cotton saris is sari number 21. This is smart royal blue with red, with orange, sorry. This is orange with blue. This is how it looks. This is how the sari looks. It has a contrast pallu. See, this blue is really elegant and really classy. This is how it is, with pearl white body all over. So we are done with Ganga Jamuna saris Sungdi, 1850 price, and this is sari number 21. The next Sungdi sari collection is, do you also ship to US? Yes, we do ship to US also. We also do the stitching services. We do magam work, we do blouse stitching, fall pico for all these saris. Whichever ordered, we can do a complete finished ready to wear sari, and we can ship it to US. So this is sari number 22. What's the shipping charge to US? We start with 1500 per kg and we send it via FedEx. And these days during the COVID time, it's taking around 4 to 5 working days to get it delivered. So yeah, this is sari number 22, plain color, and it's checked all over checked, small checks with zari border, self zari border actually. So you can wear any contrast. It's a yellow color. It's yellow color. It's a lovely yellow color sari, self sari, and there is no blouse piece with this, and the sari cost is 1390. Please mark, these are the best rates given. Yes, I said 15 rupees per kg. As the weight increases, the shipping price changes, and according to the weight the price differs, and minimum per kg it is 1500 rupees. So these are the saris, Sungdi cotton sari, checked sari with self border, self pallu. Pallu is with stripes. There's no blouse in this, and you can always wear a contrast blouse, like how red with yellow and red goes. Okay. The next sari is sari number 23, black. People who love black will love this sari. Black cotton sungdi, zari checked all over, self border, self pallu, You will have to wear a contrast blouse. No blouse piece in these saris. The quality of the sari is very good. You need not starch. Sorry, is it 15 or 1500 per kg? 1500, 1500 per kg, 1500. So this sari cost is 1390. Self Sungdi checked sari. Thank you. So this is how the sari looks overall. I'm moving to the next sari. This is sari number 23, checked Sungdi, self border, priced at 1390. The next color is something really beautiful. This is another parrot green sari. Parrot green is loved by everybody, and it goes with all the color shades. What's the material, Sandhya? That's the cotton Sungdi saris, cotton sari, pure cotton, pure handloom cotton. How do you accept payment? We accept payment, bank transfer, Google Pay, international credit cards, PayPal, Western Union, online bank transfer also. There's no other additional charges for the prices we have been mentioned. So this is parrot green, self-checked, self-border, self-pallu. How do you accept payment? Yeah, I have mentioned it. Cotton Sungdi sari, sari number 24. Parrot green is sari number 24. Don't miss the sari. Priced at 1390. I'm trying to put it on. Yeah. This is how the sari looks. The color of the sari is not clearly shown, but this is a really beautiful color. It's a parrot green. Parrot green, self pallu. No blouse piece with this. You will have to wear a contrast blouse piece over this saris. So I am moving to the next color. Next color is reddish pink, sari number 25, self-checked Sungdi sari. Send me message. Sure, Andy, I'll send you once I'm done with the show. I'll send you the message. So this is another color. Reddish pink, zari border. I hope everybody can see it very clearly. Zari border, self-checked, very soft, not too stiff. You will have to wear again a contrast blouse. Black goes well, royal blue, any color in fact. Self also goes well. See, if you see self, this also will go well. So this is priced at 1390. The last sari in checked self is sari number 26. It's a maroon sari. I hope you all can see the color clearly. It's a maroon sari, self-checked. Self-checked sari, self-pallu, no blouse piece with this saris. And this is how the sari looks when you wear it. It's a very elegant and very classy saris. So this is how the sari is. So these are the colors in self-checked, self-border Sungdi cotton saris. So I am moving to the next Sungdi cotton collection. This is with something like a bandhani print. Sari number 27. 26. Sari number 27. This is a bandhani print. Bigger checks. This has a blouse piece in this. This has a running pallu contrast blouse piece. This is a blouse piece. And this is how the pallu is. This is how the pallu looks. and this is how the sari is. This comes with blouse piece, border color blouse piece. The complete sari, it has two zari borders on both the sides and checked, zari checked, bigger checks actually. See, this is how it looks. It's a maroon color, maroon with pink, candy pink, maroon with candy pink. Blouse piece attached, contrast blouse, contrast pallu. This is the pallu with peacock motifs all over. The complete sari is checked with zari. Zari quality is really good and the sari cotton also is really good. Doesn't shrink much. The next color, it's green with pink, green with candy pink. Sari number 28. This is sari number 28. This is how the sari looks. Pallu is all over small motifs, bandhani print. Yeah, it's a bottle green color. Sari number 28, priced at 1650. The next color is pinkish red with brown. And the pallu color is brown for this. It has a small zari border which you can see all over is checked, zari checked. This is how the pallu is. It's a beautiful rich pallu with contrast blouse. Sari number 28, priced at 1650, free shipping, domestic free shipping. The next sari, sari number 30. This also is brown with orange. Brown with orange, contrast blouse, contrast pallu, checked all over. Pallu is like this. This is the pallu. This is also priced at 1650. You all can WhatsApp us on 7708530404. This is one of the beautiful colors, navy blue with yellow. Bandhani, contrast pallu, and it has a contrast checked blouse. Very classy look. This is how it looks. This is how the sari looks. It has a zari border. This is a zari border. This is sari number 35. Sari number 31, priced at 1850. Another sari, Sudi sari, sari number 32, big border. We have stitched many gowns in this saris. This is bottle green with orange. Bottle green with orange, no blouse piece. Did Preeti did WhatsApp? Yes, I'll reply to you, Preeti. Give me some time, I'll reply to your messages. Once I'm done with this, we'll send you a reply. this is sari number 32 and it's priced at 1850. Free shipping, and it has a big border, zari border. It's a big zari border. The next color is something really different and unique. This is Rama blue or sky blue also you can say, with light yellow, creamish sari, big border, contrast pallu. This is how the pallu comes. Contrast pallu. No blouse piece with this, and this is priced at 1850. Sumri cotton, big border, yellow with navy blue. See, yellow with navy blue. Sari number 34, yellow with navy blue, 1850. Priced at 1850. This is the whole sari. This is a light and also bright, I would say, little bright sari. Very elegant in the summers, and it has a navy blue, small border and bigger border at the bottom. It's a 10-inch border, more than 10-inch border, zari border. You can get a gown stitch, or you can wear it as a sari also. That was priced at 1850. Another sari, navy blue with magenta pink. Navy blue with magenta pink, checked all over, checks with good zari. You all can see the zari color, and it has a contrast pallu. This is a contrast pallu. Our prices are tagged at the lowest price with free shipping within India, and the quality is assured. This is how it looks. This is how the sari looks. It's a dark navy blue with magenta pink, priced at 1850, free shipping within India. We also ship worldwide via FedEx. We also take tailoring services. So moving to the next sari, that is sari number 36, blue with ink blue with orange. This is ink blue with orange. Sari number 36, priced at 1850. This is also a big border, contrast pallu, small checked all over. This is how the sari looks. Sari number 36, priced at 1850. So we are done with all the Sungdi saris. Now I am moving to another collection, Narayanpet cotton. This is Narayanpet cotton saris. It's very soft, very soft. And it has with blouse Narayanpet saris, checks all over. Handloom saris, you can see the quality of the sari. It's an handloom sari. It has a running blouse. I'll show you the blouse piece. It has a running blouse, and the sari overall is classy. It's a classy green. It's a Rama green. It's a Rama green sari with mustard yellow. This is how the sari is. And this is the pallu. This is the pallu. Narayanpet cotton saris. Sari number. What is the sari number? Sari number 37. Sari number 37, priced at 1550. Another color. It has two-side border. The bottom side is bigger border, and on the top it's a smaller border. This is maroon with mustard. Maroon with mustard sari. Checks all over. Sari number 38, priced at 1550. Narayanpet cotton saris. This is how the sari is. This is how it looks. The sari quality is really soft. You need not have to starch it or press iron it. All you need to hand wash and wear it. You can wear any contrast blouse, navy blue, black blouse, or any contrast blouse for this, or even the body color, maroon color. So the next sari is orange with red. Orange with red, Narayanpet cotton sari, two-side border, contrast border. This is how the sari is. It's a bright orange. Let us know if you have any questions. This is how the sari looks. Sari number 39, priced at 1150. Narayanpet cotton saris. Very elegant saris. Very rich. Very soft saris. And the last color in Narayanpet sari is bottle green with mustard yellow. This is the last sari in Narayanpet, and this is also priced at 1150. Product number 40. It has two-side borders, big one and a smaller border. This is how the sari looks. This is a pretty color, bottle green with mustard yellow. And this has a contrast color. So we are done with all the cotton saris. This is a pallu, striped pallu. We are done with all the cotton saris, all the casual wear saris. We are launching a new silk sari with no blouse. Lightweight, budget-friendly silk saris. Trust me, the quality of the sari is really nice, and it's worth the price. This is Chinal Pattu. This is manufactured. It's a handloom sari, and it is manufactured in the south of Tamil Nadu. This is how it is. Pure handloom silk sari with no blouse, no zari. Classic look. Contrast pallu. Orange is the pallu. You can wear a light orange blouse over this, or a clean blouse. So this is how the sari is. And this is how the pallu. This is the pallu. It's a purple color with orange, or rarest colors I would say. Orange and purple combination. No blouse. It's Chinal Pattu, and it is priced at 2220. Sari number 41. That was purple and orange was sari number 41. we are showing another light English color, that is peach with cream. Peach with cream sari. It's a lightweight silk sari. This is called Chinal Pattu with no blouse. Peach with cream. It's good for gifting. It's good for all ages, in fact. So this is how it looks. Pretty lightweight sari. It's an handloom silk sari. It's a budget friendly sari. Another color in this. Let us know how the colors are looking. This is one more pretty color. It's a green, leaf green. It's a leaf green sari with contrast, light pink. Pink and magenta pink mix, kind of. This is how the sari looks. Sari number 43, green with peach. Green with peach, silk sari, priced at 2200. No blouse. Coming to the next color, grey. Grey is now a trending sari. See here, this is a grey sari, grey pallu, and the body is something different. This is a striped. Hemalata, which sari are you asking for the price? Can you show me the peach sari once? Sure, peach sari. These saris are really lightweight and easy to use, with no blouse, easy maintenance. This is how the sari looks. This is how the sari is. You can wear a cream color blouse. Cream color blouse. This is how the pallu is. Okay, Sandhya Garu, I hope you like this. Lightweight handloom silk sari. Priced at 2200. So this is a traditional look and unique. Code number for that 44. Just a second. Pallu here it is. Price tagged at product code 42. Sandhya Garu, that is 42. This is another unique and different sari, stripes all over and zari booties also, you can see. Yeah. Okay. With grey pallu. Pallu is grey, sari is fully stripes with double shade. Unique combination. No blouse. No blouse piece. You can wear almost 3 shades of blouses in this. But grey would be the best, I would say. So this is a sari. This is a pallu. Pallu is this. Priced at 2200. Code number 44. This sari is code number 44, Chinnala Pattu. It's a Pattu sari, it's a silk sari, handloom sari. Stripes all over, 3 color stripes. Contrast pallu, grey color. And the last sari of the show is, this is the last sari of the show. It's almost 1.5 hours. It's a great show. Thank you all. This is another magenta pink with cream. Magenta pink has a border finish. It's a silk sari. It's a cream color contrast. It's a cream color contrast with booties all over. Magenta pink. Priced at 2200. Sari number 45. This is the last sari of the show, and this is also the beautiful color. See, this is how it looks once again. Beautiful collections. Thank you so much, Sandhya. See, this is how it looks. It has light pink border on both the sides, and the pallu is cream. So we are done for today's show. I must thank you all for all the encouragement and support given to Rachel Boutique, and we're looking forward for all the support. We'll be coming up more with such new beautiful collections. We are planning one by one. Being this is the first show, it is slightly unplanned. I hope still it is going good. Thank you all once again, and all the replies and WhatsApp messages will be given reply in some time. I hope you all have sent along with the code number and the image of the sari for no confusion, and the products will be shipped on free of cost. Domestic shipping is free, international shipping is also provided. All the saris are with no other hidden charges or no other additional charges. The price is quoted is the price what you are going to be paying us, and the payment would be via Google Pay, bank transfer, Phone Pay, Western Union, PayPal, using your credit cards, all the different options. We are trying to give you the best services as much as possible. Let us know if you are lacking anything, or if you want us to start with any other new services which would make your shopping more comfortable with us. We also provide stitching services also. So you all can order along with stitching. The prices and all those details will be discussed personally. So signing off now. Thank you so much. It was a great show for me and a great experience having you all. Please do share, like and comment below our videos. This will be more encouraging and supporting for us to come forward with more new collections. Thank you. Mary signing off from Rachel Boutique. Have a nice weekend. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.